If you're doing affiliate marketing and you're still posting Instagram Reels manually, you are wasting a huge amount of time and missing massive traffic opportunities. In this video, I'm going to show you how I auto-post Instagram Reels in bulk using MKT software, manage multiple accounts at the same time, and turn Instagram into a scalable affiliate traffic system right now. Instagram Reels is the fastest way to get organic reach. You don't need followers, you don't need ads, you just need volume, consistency, and the right setup. That's why instead of using one Instagram account, I manage multiple accounts in the same niche and let all of them post Reels every single day. The first thing I do is account management inside MKT Insta. I can add and manage unlimited Instagram accounts from one dashboard. Each account is logged in with its own proxy and anti-detect browser, so Instagram sees them as completely separate real users. One account, one IP, one browser fingerprint. This is extremely important if you want to scale safely. Next comes the content management. I don't try to create viral content for every account. I prepare a content library, short videos related to business, marketing, or affiliate offers. Inside the post function, I simply choose post reel video, select the videos I want, and assign them to multiple accounts. You can allow duplicate videos, which means the same reel can be posted across many accounts automatically. This is where the scaling happens. Instead of posting one reel per day, I can post dozens or hundreds of reels across multiple accounts with just one setup. Each reel brings a small amount of organic traffic, but when you combine all accounts together, the traffic becomes very powerful. Now let's talk about affiliate traffic. I don't spam affiliate links directly in every reel. Instead, I use smart redirection. Inside the posting settings, I can tag my main Instagram account, add a call to action in the caption or comment after posting. All traffic flows back to my main account, where my affiliate links, landing pages, or offers are placed. So every small account acts like a traffic feeder. Once everything is configured, I simply click Start. MKT software automatically opens each browser, logs into each Instagram account, and posts Reels exactly like a human would. I don't need to touch anything while I'm working on other projects, sleeping, or running ads. My Instagram accounts are posting content and driving traffic 24/7. This is how you turn Instagram Reels into a real affiliate system. Not just random posting. You're not depending on one account. You're not relying on luck. You're building volume with automation. And this method works for affiliate marketing, SaaS promotion, lead generation, and even brand awareness. If you want to scale Instagram the smart way, manual posting is not the solution anymore. Automation with the right tool is. If you want to learn more about MKT Insta and how to set this system up step by step, check the links below or contact me directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.